Are you ready to skyrocket your income and take control of your financial future? Today, we're unveiling a powerful strategy that promises to give your income a tenfold boost. It doesn't matter if you're already at a high income level or just finding your feet. This strategy is for all. You might be skeptical. Is this realistic? Is it achievable without any specialized skills or massive investments? Well, we're about to explore the 4 ladders of wealth that cut across all professions and industries. We'll delve into how quickly you can start reaping the benefits, the initial steps you need to take, and the potential risks involved. Also, we'll be sharing compelling success stories that prove this method has worked wonders for many. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Stick around to discover how you can transform your income starting today. The concept of wealth ladders might be new to you, but it holds the power to drastically increase your income. Imagine a ladder. Each rung represents a different level of financial success, and climbing up means you're expanding your wealth. This is the essence of the ladders of wealth concept. It's not just about earning more money, but systematically increasing your income streams. There are 4 main ladders of wealth: the employment ladder, the investment ladder, the entrepreneurial ladder, and the intellectual property ladder. Each ladder represents a different approach to earning money, and you can climb one or all of them depending on your skills, interests, and resources. The beauty of this concept is that it's not one size fits all. Each ladder offers a unique path to wealth, and you can choose the one that best suits your circumstances and aspirations. Whether you're a software engineer, a teacher, or a small business owner, there's a ladder for you. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it really achievable? Can I actually climb these ladders? The answer is a resounding yes. This approach is not about getting rich quick or making $1 million overnight. It's about steady, consistent progress towards financial success. It's about making strategic decisions that move you up the ladder, one rung at a time. Of course, as with any journey, there will be challenges and setbacks. Climbing the wealth ladders is no exception. But the key is to keep going, to stay committed, and to learn from your mistakes. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are countless individuals who have successfully climbed these ladders, and their stories can serve as inspiration and guidance. They prove that this method is not just theory, but a practical and achievable strategy for increasing your income. Understanding and climbing these ladders of wealth is a realistic and achievable way to boost your income. So, are you ready to start your climb? The first ladder of wealth is the employment ladder. This is where most of us start our journey to financial prosperity. It's the world of 9-to-5 jobs, annual raises, and promotions. But how do you transform this ladder into a wealth-creating tool? Firstly, let's debunk a common myth. You don't need to be a high earner to climb this ladder. That's right, even if your salary is on the lower end, there are ways to leverage your employment for financial growth. The key is understanding that employment is not just about earning a paycheck. It's about developing valuable skills, building a professional network, and taking advantage of opportunities to advance. One practical strategy is to seek promotions. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people shy away from taking on more responsibility. Yet, promotions often come with a significant pay increase. So don't wait for opportunities to come knocking. Be proactive. Showcase your skills, take on challenging projects, and express your ambition to your superiors. Another strategy is to constantly upskill. The world is changing rapidly and the job market along with it. Those who stay ahead of the game by learning new skills and staying updated in their field tend to have higher earning potential. This could mean taking a course online, attending workshops, or even going back to school part-time. Now, let's address a common concern. What if you're in a low-paying job with little room for growth? This is where the power of transferable skills comes in. The skills you develop in one job can often be applied in another, potentially higher-paying field. So, don't feel stuck. Explore your options and be open to change. Even if you're starting with a low income, employment can be your first step towards wealth. Remember, climbing the employment ladder is not just about making more money. It's about growing as a professional, expanding your opportunities, and setting a strong foundation for your financial future. So don't underestimate the power of your 9 to 5. With the right mindset and strategies, you can turn your employment into a wealth-building ladder. And remember, this is just the first step. There are 3 more ladders to explore, each with its own potential to skyrocket your income. The second ladder of wealth is the investment ladder. Imagine a garden where you plant seeds, water them, and over time they grow into robust fruit-bearing trees. That's what investing is like. It's all about planting your money seeds in the right places and letting them grow over time. Investing isn't just for the wealthy or financial experts. It's a powerful tool for wealth building that's accessible to all of us. There are plenty of simple investment options suitable for beginners. From low-cost index funds that mirror the overall market to real estate investment trusts that let you dip your toes into property investing without the need for a big upfront cash outlay, the options are vast and varied. But what about the risks, you might ask? It's true, all investments carry some level of risk. The stock market can be volatile and real estate markets can fluctuate. But here's the thing, not investing is arguably the biggest risk of all. Inflation can erode the value of your money over time, so by not investing, you could actually be losing money in real terms. There are ways to manage investment risks, though. Diversification, or spreading your investments across different types of assets, can help. And remember, investing is a long-term game. Short-term market fluctuations are less concerning when you're in it for the long haul. Investing may seem intimidating, but it's a crucial step in your journey to a 10x income. The third ladder of wealth is the entrepreneurial ladder. This is the path of the go-getters, the dreamers, the doers. It's about creating something from scratch, something that delivers value to people and, in return, generates income for you. Entrepreneurship isn't just about starting a mega corporation. From launching a small side hustle to scaling a startup, it's all about identifying opportunities, solving problems, and making things happen. It's about having the courage to take risks, the resilience to bounce back from failures, and the tenacity to keep going when the going gets tough. But what if you're thinking, I don't have a lot of money to start a business, or I don't have any experience in running a business? Here's the thing. Most successful entrepreneurs started with little more than a dream and the determination to make it a reality. And as for experience, well, there's no better way to learn than by doing. Consider the stories of successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Sarah Blakely, and Richard Branson. They didn't start with a silver spoon. They started with an idea, a vision, and the courage to take the first step. This isn't to say that entrepreneurship is easy. It's not. It requires hard work, commitment, and a willingness to face and overcome challenges. But the rewards, financial independence, personal fulfillment, and the freedom to live life on your own terms can be well worth the effort. With the right approach, entrepreneurship can be your ticket to financial freedom. The fourth and final ladder of wealth is the intellectual property ladder. This ladder is all about creating something unique and valuable that can generate passive income for you. Think of this as your creative gold mine. You could write a best-selling book, design an innovative product, create a popular online course, or even license your brilliant ideas to others. The beauty of intellectual property is that you create it once, but it can continue to generate income for you over time. But how do you maximize income from this source? Firstly, you should focus on creating high-quality content or products that people actually want. Secondly, you need to protect your intellectual property rights. This could mean registering a patent, copyright, or trademark. Lastly, effective marketing is key. The more people know about your intellectual property, the more potential buyers you'll have. Creating and monetizing intellectual property can be a game changer in your quest for a 10x income. Now that you know the 4 ladders of wealth, it's time to take action. Whether you're drawn to the stability of employment, the growth potential of investing, the thrill of entrepreneurship, or the creative possibilities of intellectual property, it's time to make your move. Don't just stand at the bottom looking up. Start climbing. Remember, the employment ladder can lead you to promotions and skill development. The investment ladder to financial growth through smart decisions. The entrepreneurial ladder? It's all about carving your own path. And the intellectual property ladder lets you monetize your creativity. Every journey begins with a single step, and a tenfold increase in income isn't an exception. Start small, be consistent, and before you know it, you'll start seeing results. We've covered a lot today, but remember, these strategies are here to help you increase your income, and they're all within your reach. Remember, the key to wealth is in your hands. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.